Planting trees can help Pakistan weather the heat. Pakistanis are no strangers to scorching summers. But this year, the heat has reached a whole new level. Extreme heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, posing a significant threat to public health, agriculture, and the environment. While there is no single solution to this complex issue, planting trees has emerged as a powerful weapon in the fight against the rising temperatures. Trees act as natural air conditioners. Their expansive canopies provide much needed shade, lowering the ground temperature and creating a cooler microclimate. This is especially crucial in urban areas where concrete jungles trap heat, creating a phenomenon known as the urban heat island effect. Studies have shown that strategically planted trees can bring down temperatures by several degrees, offering a much needed respite from the scorching sun. But the benefits of trees go beyond just shade. Trees are nature's air purifiers, absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming and intensifies heat waves. By sequestering carbon, trees help regulate the Earth's temperature, offering a long-term solution to the climate crisis. Trees also play a vital role in the water cycle. Through transpiration, they release water vapor into the atmosphere, creating a cooling effect. This not only helps to combat heat, but also contributes to increased rainfall, benefiting agriculture and replenishing water resources. Planting trees is a nature-based solution that offers a multitude of advantages. However, it's important to plant the right trees in the right places. Native species, well adapted to the local climate, are the most suitable choice. They require less water, thrive in the local soil conditions, and provide habitat for native wildlife. Pakistan has recognized the importance of trees in mitigating the scorching heat. The government has launched several initiatives to promote tree planting, particularly in urban areas. However, these efforts need to be further amplified. Public awareness campaigns can encourage citizens to plant trees in their communities and homes. Schools can integrate tree planting programs into their curriculum, fostering environmental responsibility in the younger generation. Planting trees is a long-term strategy that requires sustained commitment, but the rewards are undeniable. A greener Pakistan will not only be cooler but also healthier, with improved air quality, better water management, and a more vibrant ecosystem. Every tree planted is a step towards a cooler future for Pakistan.